Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a stainless steel pan. It's 31 centimeters in diameter. We've got an electric burner at 4 kilowatts at sea level to boil water. The efficiency is 61%. We want to find the mass flow rate of evaporation for water. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we've got a frying pan that is stainless steel. It's 31 centimeters in diameter. And we want to boil water. And we're going to find the mass flow rate of evaporation. Okay, step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the mass flow rate of evaporation formula. So it's the power divided by the enthalpy of evaporation. So step 4, we need to find the power to boil water formula. So capital Q dot is the power to boil. So that is the efficiency, eta, which is the Greek symbol, multiplied by capital Q dot burner. So step 5, we're just going to plug and play because this is given in the question. So it's 2.44 kilowatts. We need to convert that to kilojoules per second. It's a 1-to-1 conversion. We need kilojoules per second later on to find the correct units for the mass flow rate of evaporation. Step 6, now we need to find the enthalpy of evaporation. So we're going to go to the water property table. So they stated it's at sea level. So we're going to assume it's 1 atmosphere. That means water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So we're going to go to the temperature table. We're going to go to 100 degrees Celsius. And our enthalpy of evaporation is 2,256.4 kilojoules per kilogram. So step 7, we can now backtrack and plug and play. So the power to boil water from step 5 is 2.44 kilojoules per second, and the enthalpy of evaporation is 2,256.4 kilojoules per kilogram. So 2.44 divided by 2,256.4, the units will cancel out, leaving you with kilograms per second, but since it's such a small number, we're going to change it to kilograms per hour. So this is the conversion for kilograms per hour. We will get 3.89 kilograms per hour for the mass flow rate of evaporation, or in other words, how much mass of water has evaporated. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.